Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how to earn money with GetResponse, right? How you can earn money with GetResponse, and it's very easy and simple. So let me show you how you can do that. So yep, first of all go to getresponse.com. Yeah. So once you go there, right, you have to scroll down all the way, right? This is the get response. If you are a member, you can log in here. But yes, go scroll down all the way to the end, and you will see on the product side there is an affiliate program. Click on affiliate program. And yes, you can see here get paid when you refer clients to get response. Sign up for free. And yes, it's free to join their business, and it's really amazing. So here you can see affiliates who want to create a new source of revenue, freelancer, bloggers, review sites, content creator, affiliate with small business traffic, right? And marketing consultants, small agencies, online marketing expert. Two great program to choose from. Now this is the main topic, right? So if you recommend to anybody to use affiliate like get response, then if you want to choose this program, for example, if someone is signing up, right, for get response, so you will get $100 straight away. But if you choose this program, this is one time, right? So if someone is signing up for their lifetime, but you will get this one time $100 if someone is signing up from your link, right? And this one is affiliate recurring program, means if someone sign up from your link and they are paying monthly, then you get 33% commission for their every monthly payment. If someone is paying you $100, like not to you, basically to get response $100 to use their software, so you will get $33 out of there every month. So that is called passive income. Because if somebody is using program, they're using for long term, definitely they want to build up their business, right? So I would reckon go for this one. This is very useful, and this one is one time, right? I won't reckon this one. So once you click on sign up, yes. So you have to give your these details, right? Your name, last name, email, password, country of residence, phone number, your website, right? And you can create your website on GoDaddy.com for free, right? And yes, you can choose any of these options. I chose everything and create account simply, right? And that's really how simple it is. And if you want to know how to create a website on GoDaddy.com, please leave your comment in the comment section below, so that I can make another video on the website, that how you can create a new website. So yes, once you log in as you accruing affiliate, right, and you have different option to log in, right? So yes, so this is the link you get here. Once you copy this link and paste on your website, social media and everything, then you get commission if somebody buy from this link, right? And that's it. And once you log in 30 days period, if you get 10 customers, you get $200 bonus. And how, and bonus on the top of 33% commission, reoccurring commission. How amazing is that, right? So yes, this is a really good program to promote, because you will get monthly income with this, and all you have to do is promotion, nothing else, right? So yes, go for it. It's really amazing, and you can start making money online with this one. And if you want to learn legendary marketer training, right, so I'll say go with this challenge, this 15 days challenge. Yes, this one, this is really amazing, guys. This is gonna change your life. This will help you a lot to learn affiliate marketing, right? And yes, go. I'll again post the link for this training in my bio, and go for this one. This is really helpful for your training. And yes, start earning with money with GetResponse. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe, share, and comment if you have any question. And follow my channel for more earning tips. And I hope this will work for you guys and this is so helpful for you. Thank you so much.